What exactly does Botox do? Botox is one of the most commonly done aesthetic procedure worldwide, but still people does not know what exactly Botox do, how exactly it works. At Facethetics Beauty, we make sure for a complete understanding of the patient of the action of the Botox, how does it work, and making sure the patient gets the desired effective results. Botox is a purified form of botulinum toxin type A, which relaxes the muscles, which targets facial muscles which are causing wrinkles by relaxing the action of it. These muscles are responsible for the movements of frowning, squinting, raising the eyebrows, and other small fine lines which are caused on the face. Over time, these repeated movements form dynamic wrinkles. Wrinkles like on the forehead, the frown lines, and on the eyes like the crow's feet. When the Botox is injected in these areas in a precise, controlled manner, it blocks the nerves which contracts the muscles. So the muscles relax. As the muscles relaxes, the areas becomes smoother and the wrinkles stop appearing. The look becomes more refreshed. Importantly, Botox does not freeze the face when administered correctly in the right dosage at the right areas. Instead, it softens lines in the desired area, giving you a more refreshed and a smoother look. One of the biggest advantage of Botox is prevention. Prevention of the fine lines, prevention of the dynamic wrinkles which appear on the face. Many patients now choose Botox for prevention of those fine lines appearing on the face, prevention of those wrinkles going deeper on the face. This approach is called preventive Botox. Preventive Botox can slow down the visible effects of aging, giving you a more natural expressions and looks. Botox is also used for other medical purposes like muscle spasm, migraine, excessive clenching, or even excessive sweating. This highlights its long-standing safety profile when administered by trained professionals. A common concern is safety. Botox is FDA approved and from decades it has been used in aesthetic and medical purposes. Side effects are usually mild or temporary, like swelling or redness at the injection site. Choosing the right injector is the key. Results of Botox usually shows between 3 to 7 days and typically it lasts for 3 to 6 months depending on person to person. At Facethetics Beauty, Botox is never about changing your looks. In fact, it's about enhancing your natural beauty and feeling more confident in your own skin.